Hey guys, and it's time for another episode of Android News. I got some exciting stuff for you all. So first off, a major news, Android Q is going to warn users whenever he or she will open an application which has been made for Lollipop or KitKat or any other older version of Android. I mean older than Marshmallow. And the warning is going to say that this particular application is made for an older version of Android and it might not work properly on your device. Well, that also means Google has already started working on Android Q, but what I think is side by side they're also working on Android 9.1 Pie, which is going to release along with the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. So that is something nice. And a good news for POCO F1 users, you can now unlock the bootloader of your smartphone within 3 days. Thanks to all the YouTubers, Reddit users and websites for letting Xiaomi know about this issue. And get ready for some videos of Android Pie and MIUI 10 on my POCO F1. Today only I'm going to unlock this POCO F1 and gonna install the Android Pie. A great news, the OnePlus X just received official Android 9.0 Pie beta version based on Oxygen OS and it's pretty stable. However, there are a few major bugs, including Google Play services is not working for a few users, and that means you won't be able to use Google applications like Play Store. However, some users got it working, so that's something nice. And you can install it right now if you want to taste the Android Pie. By the way, spoiler, we have the same Android Pie navigation, but the recents are a little bit different. We have rounded recents in the OnePlus X. Okay, so rest of the Nokia smartphones are now getting August 2018 security patches, and by Nokia smartphones I mean all the Nokia smartphones which haven't received the August patch. And I'm surprised to see that Nokia is the same Nokia. I mean, regular security patches are still there and definitely faster than other brands. And there we have another news. The Moto G6 is now getting July 2018 security patch in the United States. The device still remains on Android 8.0, not even 8.1. By the way, the Moto G6 is going to get Android Pie and I have no idea when, maybe next year. Moving on, the Asus ZenFone X4 M1 is getting another software update which improves front-facing camera and fingerprint sensor performance. So that is something nice. So this is it guys, let me know if you have received any updates. I will include that in my next Android news episode. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and peace out.